Hi guys, you're watching Go IT Center. In this video, we will talk about how you can speed up your Windows 11 and how you can optimize your Windows 11, existing Windows 11. If you are a gamer and you need high FPS, then this video is for you. And if you are facing lagging in Windows 11 in normal use, then obviously this video is for you. So let's start the video. Three services are very important and they always run in the background. So you don't know, even you are not using it, but they are eating your RAM and processor, and finally you are getting the slow speed. So number one is delivery optimization. So first of all, you have to type settings. Once you insert the settings, then you have to scroll down it and go into the Windows update. Once you have the Windows update, then you will have a option of advanced options. Then scroll down it, you will have a delivery optimization. Once you click it, you will have this option, basically allow downloads from the other device. Basically this option downloads the update and share onto the local network. Means, let's say if you are a businessman, if you are a person, or if you are a teacher, you have a lab, you have couple of computers. So this feature is very useful in that condition. Update will download onto the single computer and it will share onto the other computers. So other computers will not go onto the internet and they will update locally. So this is very useful feature. But if you are a single user and you are using one or two computer at your home, so it is not recommended for you, and it whenever it will download and share the updates to the other computer, it will consume so many RAM and tons of your CPU usage. So it is strongly recommended. You need to close it. Just close it, and that's it. Then after that, you will have very popular service, that is sysmain. So you have to go inside the services, and I will also explain you that why we are going to close the sysmain, what is the reason behind it. Absolutely we will discuss. And let's type and you will have a sysmain. So sysmain is running. Sysmain is basically a very old service, and it was first developed for the hard drive in in 2000 and 2005 era, and even 2010 era. Mostly computer using Windows XP and Windows 7, and in that condition, in that time, we didn't have any SSD or even M2, M3. So this sysmain service is basically developed for the hard drive, because whenever you will have a application onto the hard drive, and whenever you install the application onto the hard drive, so once you double click onto the application, so hard drive doesn't have the enough speed to open the application instantly. So sysmain give the temporary boost to your application in order to open it and to give better experience to the user. But in the modern world, we have SSD and we have M2, we have even M3. So in this condition, we don't need sysmain, because it interact with the SSD or M2 algorithm or processes. So finally you will get lagging in performance. So if you have a SSD, M2 and M3, so you have to close this service, stop this service first, and disable this service secondly. And so right click on it, stop it, and then you have to disable, apply, okay. The After that, the third thing is very important, that is the Windows search. So if you go into the let's say I'm going into the Windows search, so whenever you will type something, obviously it's working and working, because this is the fresh installation, so it is not taking enough time. But if you have a computer, if you are using any computer since more than a year, since more than 2 years, so in that case, definitely it will take a lot of time working on it. So indexing process, basically Windows search use a lot of index process at the backend side, so it consumes a lot of RAM, and even you don't know it. So Windows, so you have to close this Windows search indexing feature, just indexing feature. So it will save your RAM and it will not eat your RAM resources, and even after that your search will work with perfection, and I will show you as well. So Windows search, let me check out Windows search where it is. So this one is Windows search. So Windows search, and stop it, double click on it, and finally disable it. Now we are good to go. And if you check out any search, if you want to search anything, Windows update, it will work properly, and everything will be good. So it will just finish or close the indexing feature, which is basically eat your RAM resources at the backend side, and even you don't know. So these three settings are very important, and once you do it, and after that you have to restart your PC, and believe me, you will feel amazing performance difference before and after. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give the thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.